In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove address on Shopify packing slip. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and which line of code to adjust so your store's address no longer appears on printed packing slips. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard and everything we need is accessible from here. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Shopify groups most of the behind the scenes configuration for your store. Inside Settings, open Notifications. Even though packing slips are printed documents, Shopify manages their templates in the same area as email notifications, so don't be surprised to find them here. Scroll down until you see the Order Notifications section. In that list, find Packing Slip. This is the template that controls the content and formatting of what prints with your orders. Click Edit to open the template editor. You'll now see the packing slip template as a block of code. Don't worry, you don't need to be a developer to make this change. We're only removing a single line. What you're looking for is the line that outputs your store's address. In most default templates, that line appears as shop.address. If you have trouble spotting it, use your browser's find feature and search for shop.address or simply address to jump to the right section more quickly. Once you've located the line, delete just that one line, shop.address. Removing this specific output will stop your store's address from appearing on the packing slip. It won't affect your customer's shipping address or order details. Those are controlled by different parts of the template, so your fulfillment process remains intact. Before you move on, a quick best practice: consider copying the entire template into a safe place first, so you can easily restore it later if needed. That way, if you ever want your store's address to reappear, you can paste the original line back in. When you're finished, click Save at the top right. That's it, the change is now applied. Any packing slips you print from this point forward will exclude your store's address. If you don't see a line exactly matching a shop address, your template may have been customized previously. In that case, look for similar references to the shop object or an address block near the header area, and remove only the line that prints the store address. Keep all customer and order fields in place. You've successfully cleaned up your packing slip and removed the store address. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.